Welcome to Dreamland Kids. A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat, D is for dog, E is for elephant, F is for fish, G is for giraffe, H is for hand, I is for ink, J is for jug, K is for kite, L is for lime, M is for moon, N is for nose, O is for owl, P is for penguin, Q is for queen, R is for rabbit, S is for sun, T is for tiger, U is for umbrella, V is for violin, W is for whale, X is for xylophone, Y is for yak, Z